Hey, what's up? It's Sarita. I'm a graphic designer from Utah, and I am going to go over your first discovery call. This is how I run my calls, and this is my first freebie to you. Questions you should ask and the tone of voice that is appropriate for the call. You want to start off with small talk. You don't want to just barrel into it. So, talk about the news, talk about the weather, talk about something that you have in common with that client. Ask them how they're doing and thank them for taking time out of their day to have a call with you. Okay, so after breaking the ice, you want to go ahead and make sure that the client is ready to take the call. So ask them, are you ready to get started? Or let's get started. Say it enthusiastically. You're excited to provide the service. Wait until it's a good moment. Don't interrupt. Ask them, tell me about your business. What does your business do? And while they tell you this, make sure that you're writing notes so that you can refer back to this, whether they work with you or not. And then go ahead and introduce yourself, introduce your business. Tell the client how you're a visual problem solver and how you get things done. Tell the client your company values and its mission. The pain points. So go over your client's pain points. What are they not doing so well in right now? And really pay attention to this, because this is going to help you make your offer. You need to be able to solve their problems. That's the service that they're asking for. Go over their goals and what they're working towards and what their strengths are. Also talk about the budget. Are they going to be able to afford your services, and where do you guys meet in the middle with your prices and what they can afford? Also talk about the time frame so that you can make sure that you can fit it into your schedule and that it makes sense for their schedule as well. So then you're going to want to go ahead and close. Talk about, refresh them about who you are and, tell them about how you think you can help. Let them know how you solve their problems visually, and let them know any other concerns or anything else like that. Let them know that you're so glad that they could speak with you. And definitely after you've had your call and you've said your goodbyes, give them a little bit, maybe a week, and then follow up with them. So that's my discovery call. Went through the whole thing, and I will be including a freebie for you. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye.